The front screen that you'll get to when you open the program. Click on that and it will take you to this next main screen. Finding out more about the program, we'll talk to you about the program and etc. and introduce it to you. If you've already used the program, just go straight to the second option, which is design and make your project. You click on there, it gives you four main options. One is to have a general look around the program and help you there. This one, navigate around a sample project, will take you through a project just like a student would do when they're using this program correctly. And then we have project introduction. Click on this and it will show the 6 projects. If you click on the text, it will show you some possible options for your students. Click into the main index. There's a safety section, there's a keyword section. But we look at making your project. If you click on there, it gives you 2 options. One is to produce the packaging, the other is to produce the electronics. If I look at the packaging for a start, you have put your cursor there and I'll give you an overview of all the different screens. Click on here down the right hand side and that'll move you to that particular index section. If we look at index 2 for instance and we want to know about vacuum forming, this is the section we'll get. If we look at setting up the mold, we can click on there and it'll explain that. Down the bottom, if you click on the index, I'll take you back to the main index for that area. Back button will take you to your previous, obviously next one to the next page. Tips button will give you some tips to help you. There's sound. Now if you want to leave the program at any time, click on quick. If you say you don't want to leave, just go no and it will go back to that original page. You go into the main index and into that main index there, we're there. If you want to do the electronics, you can click on the electronics one and then you've got to decide on what project you're going to do. If you're going to do the light, for instance, you click on there and that will give you an introduction to light, talk about its circuits, all the components, how it's soldered together and installation. Let's have a look at circuits. Click on there and in this case the light has lots of different circuit options. If we click on a small torch with one LED, it'll go to there and you can just move around. Go back to the index and it'll take you there. You go back to the main index and you're back into that. If you want to produce the packaging or the design, you just click on there. If you want to quit, go on to quit and go yes and you're removed from the program.